Welcome everyone to our latest video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to unravel the ins and outs of usage-based maintenance, also known as UBM. We'll show you how it works, its benefits, and how to implement it using a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. Stay tuned as we go through each step, offering tips and insights to help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful. So, get ready to learn how to say goodbye to manual readings and reduce system downtime. Let's get started. Now let's dive into the world of usage-based maintenance. This is a type of meter-based preventive maintenance plan. The magic happens when usage on a certain system or machine crosses a specific usage threshold. Preventive maintenance strategies usually come in two flavors: calendar-based or usage-based. With calendar-based maintenance, you schedule maintenance activities at regular time intervals. It's like setting a reminder on your calendar to water your plants every Sunday. But usage-based maintenance is a bit different. It relies on an equipment's measured activity. Let's break down how it works. First, you need to set up UBM on your system or series of systems. This is where meter readings come into play. They reflect equipment utilization and are the backbone of UBM. Next, you set meter thresholds. These thresholds depend on the type of machine and expected usage. They could be in the form of machine cycles, vehicle mileage, or other units of measure. You can set these based on historical data from similar assets or the manufacturer's recommendations. Then, you log meter readings on your CMMS. As an asset is being used, the meter continues to run until it hits the set threshold. At this point, your CMMS gets an alert. Finally, it's time to create a work order for routine maintenance. An admin triggers a work order on the CMMS, setting maintenance activities in motion and notifying the accountable maintenance personnel. Now, why should you consider usage-based maintenance? Here are 5 compelling benefits. First, say goodbye to manual readings. With UBM and mobile CMMS functionalities, maintenance technicians can easily log meter readings as needed. Second, expect less downtime. Missed maintenance schedules can lead to significant downtime and financial losses. But with UBM, you can reduce failure events and downtime. Third, you'll have fewer breakdown surprises. UBM requires you to proactively check an equipment's condition. This means you can catch breakdown events before they happen. Fourth, your systems will have longer lifespans. Regularly maintained systems tend to last longer, saving you the cost of getting new machinery. And finally, you'll have peace of mind. With a usage-based strategy, you can be sure that your assets are working under safe operating conditions. So, how can you implement usage-based maintenance with a CMMS? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify the key assets. Different assets within a facility require different maintenance strategies, so it's important to agree on the assets that will be included in the program. Step 2. Set up the meter on your CMMS. This will enable the system to take in recorded data. You'll need the asset's name, the unit of measurement used, and meter reading frequency to set up a meter. Step 3. Set the work order trigger. Set up the conditions that would trigger a work order, like the threshold value and the action required under the work order. Step 4. Update values as needed. When team members perform any activities on an asset, they should record and update the CMMS. And finally, Step 5. Review readings and results. Implementing usage-based maintenance is a continuous process, so reviewing the data gathered and having periodic assessments will help identify any room for improvement. In conclusion, usage-based maintenance is a preventive maintenance strategy based on an asset's runtime. A CMMS with meter reading capabilities can help with usage-based maintenance, significantly reducing manual efforts while increasing accuracy. So consider giving UBM a shot and see the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. We've just unraveled the concept of usage-based maintenance and how to implement it using a CMMS. Remember, UBM can help reduce manual efforts, decrease downtime, and prolong the lifespan of your systems. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more about our tools and resources. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.